Hello and welcome back to our new video class, High Class 4. So as in our previous video class we seen our topic वीविंग ड्रीम्स ऑफ गोल्ड. यस, हमने हमारी वो टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर दिया है. तो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, आज हम हमारी लास्ट समरी देखने वाले हैं द स्नेयर की. ओके, द स्नेयर हमारा टॉपिक है आज का, हमारी पोएम है. स्नेयर का मतलब होता है रैबिट. यस, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी अवर फोर्थ पोएम ऑफ अवर फर्स्ट टर्म. This is The Snare and this poem is written by James Stephen. Okay, so James Stephen in this poem gives us a topic that about to help the animals that are in pain. Okay, so when any animal is there in the pain, then we should need to have to help them. This is the moral of our today's poem. So first of all I will read the whole poem and then I will give you the explanation. So what is the poem here? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 stanzas and each stanza having 4 lines. Okay, so it means that there are 16 lines in our poem The Snare. Okay, so let's see what is our poem. Says that I hear a sudden cry of pain, there is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Then what happened? But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out of aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. So this is our poem and I think you identified that each stanza which having the ending line, this is the beginning of the next stanza. Yes, जिस लाइन से हमारा स्टांजा एंड हो रहा है दूसरे स्टांजा की वहीं से शुरुआत हो रही है. जैसे कि बट आई कैन नॉट टेल फ्रॉम वेयर, this is the ending line of our first stanza and this is again the starting line of our second stanza. Then making everything afraid, this is our second stanza's last line and this is also our third stanza's first line. Yes, and then our third stanza having the ending line, that is I cannot find the place, and this line begins with the fourth stanza, I cannot find the place. So now I will tell you the stanza wise summary of our poem The Snare. Okay dear students, so first of all as you can see here, what is the first stanza? First stanza is I hear a sudden cry of pain, there is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. So what is the meaning here? The poet hears a cry which appears suddenly, making him aware, and he tries to listen it more. He recognizes the sound of a rabbit trapped in a snare. The rabbit is making sound in pain. He hears the sound again but is not aware where it is coming from. Means the poet, the boy who were searching the sound, whose sound, the rabbit's sound in the snare. So what is the meaning of snare? Snare means the trap, and from the trap he want to search the voice but he cannot found that. Then the second stanza, what's the second stanza? Says that second stanza is but I cannot tell from where, he is calling out of aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. But I have to continue this with third stanza also, then I will give you the whole summary because this is related with the second stanza. the third stanza interlinked with the second stanza. So I will give you the second and third stanza summary into the joint combination. Okay, so second stanza is, but I cannot tell from where he is calling out of air. Sorry, he is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid, making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. So what is the meaning of second and third stanza? Second and third stanza have the meaning that the rabbit is calling out for help, and the poet hears the cry again. He tries to locate the rabbit, the poor rabbit, but fails to locate the place. Means when the poet want to search from where exactly the voice coming, the penny voice coming, then the poet fails to listen that voice from exactly where that coming from. Then the rabbit's painful cries create an atmosphere of fear and pain, and the rabbit's distress and pain can be sensed in the surrounding atmosphere, and it creates horror. The cries become loud and everything is overpowered by their effect. And then the poet, in his imagination, he can see the rabbit's pocket caught in the snare. He can see the rabbit's face creasing in pain. The cry comes again and again, but the poet is unable to locate the place from where it is coming. So this is the second stanzas and third stanzas summary. Means the poet want to search that penny voice. So because the penny voice is there, painful voice were there, so that the whole atmosphere, the whole environment of the surrounding of the poet where becomes the horror, and then he want to search that little face who he got weather from that, but he cannot found the place from where the voice is coming exactly. Then what happened in the concluding stanza of our poem? The poet says that, and I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. So what is the meaning of these 4 lines? These 4 lines are very heart touching, because one small boy is searching, and that small boy is exactly the poet James Stephen. And James Stephen were searching for the rabbit who were in the pain, and the poet cannot found him, as he were finding him everywhere, as the poet finding the little rabbit everywhere, but he cannot found. So the poet again imagines the rabbit's paw trapped in the snare. He is left with no other than to cry in pain, as he is stuck and cannot go anywhere. The poet tries to call the poor rabbit. However, he knows that the rabbit cannot answer. Till the end of the poem, the poet keeps searching for the rabbit, but he cannot find it. Then what happened? The poem talks about the protection and freedom of wild animals. So as poet searches and searches, but the little rabbit who were in the pen, he cannot found. And so the poet want to give the message from his poem. The snare is, the poem talks about the protection and freedom of wild animals. The poet hears the cries of rabbit in the snare and expresses his sympathy for this poor little creature. Creature means animal. So which is here little creature? Little creature is here little rabbit. He cries to locate it everywhere, however cannot find it. The poem expresses the poet kindness and sympathy for all those who are in the trouble or pain situation. He finds the mankind suffering but is unable to offer any help. Through this poem, the poet is trying to create sympathy and love in readers towards wild animals. So this is the message given in the poem The Snare by James Stephens, that we have to help the wild animals, the little creatures who were in the pain. So this is our poem The Snare. I think you people understood the meaning of the poem The Snare. So in this way we completed our poem The Snare. I will give you all questions answer on the WhatsApp. So that's it for this video lecture, guys. We will meet very soon. In our next video class, we have to go towards our grammar part. So take care. Good luck. Bye bye. See you in the next video class with our grammar portion.